peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. It's time to start the vintage themed ATCs for this month. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I think if I start with the manila file folder, because it's already sort of a starting out with the vintage color, I've got a bunch of cool, I don't know, cool little background pieces. But I'm going to start with this. I might actually use some of Tim Holtz's, because these are already sort of the size of ATCs, and I don't really want to use that full size. So I think I'm just going to start by doing some distressing. I am going to glue this together. I'm going to cut these before I do anything else. I've just got to kind of mess around with this and figure out how I'm going to cut it. Definitely need to go around the edge with these and maybe even cut the corners, I think. Well, maybe not. I like the corners cut, but I think in this case I want to do some really dark edging. Doing the very outsides with ground espresso just to make it a little bit even darker. Just to really, I just really want these to be a bit grunged up and vintage. I have this pack of paper dolls, and I thought I might be able to take some of these smaller ones out and see how those go. think that's gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything more to that. I was thinking of maybe some little bit of sparkle or something, but now I'm thinking maybe not, because it's supposed to be vintage. So I'm not sure. If I do end up putting more, you'll see them in the other videos. Okay, vintage. Come and see the Facebook group. You can link to it below, or you can email me if you want to do some trading of artist trading cards. So these we make 5, and they can all be the same. These happen to be a little bit different than each other, but they can be all the same. And you'll get 5 back from 5 different people. So come and join us. There's still time to join the swap for April, and you have till the end of April to send them out. It's only it's not even mid-April right now, so you have time to do it. So I hope you come join and email, or come find us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.